welcome to Teacher Sievny channel. That today we have the fiber to finding in the puzzle.
Now, so I need to read.
Little bit.
I will read by myself.
Yeah. So we have fiber. Yeah.
Dustbin.
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 Band-aid.
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 Watermelon.
Watermelon. You yeah.
Watermelon.
Yeah. Calculator.
Calculator. Calculator.
Yeah.
Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator. Good.
Last time I see someone just eat out the watermelon and put on the head of the baby.
Oh. So now
Just
we
so
have.
small.
So we have five words.
Now let's find.
Let's find in the puzzle.
Yay,
Now we have
guys.
11 lines again to find the word. Okay?
This one?
So, hello. You can find together with Sievny and me. Okay?
Can I found first? Can I found watermelon?
Up to you. Now up to you. You can find.
Okay.
But for now, I want you to
Dustbin.
dustbin. Yes, start from the top one first. Okay? Dustbin. You can spell dustbin. Dustbin.
D-U-S-T-B-I-N.
Dustbin.
This is not it.
Dustbin. Where is letter D? D. No. You can move a little bit for someone also we want to find with you. Letter D.
No.
Letter D.
No.
Letter D. This. No.
Wait. Let me say one by one. This row.
Okay. Row. No. No.
Wait. Say B.
D. Letter D.
Wait. A B C. A B C.
No. But now we find dustbin. So letter D first. D U. D U.
No. Cannot.
Cannot. Where is letter D? D. Yes. D. That's one D. Dustbin.
You found first, then me.
Yeah. So you can spelling with your C4. D. U. S. T. B. I. N. Dustbin. Okay. And number 2 is
Band-aid.
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 Yeah, band-aid. We can say band-aid. So start from letter B. A N D A
How about
I.
this one? How to read this one?
This one is
Color.
no. This one no need to read. We can
Date.
D
Let me see.
with
Wait.
letter B.
I see actor.
So here B A K no B.
Let me see. Check this. Wait.
B
M
A
N.
U X no, not that. B A N yeah. B yeah
I
B
see
A
you. Wait.
B A N D yeah B A N D A I D Band-aid. Okay, ta-da! Band-aid. Yes. And number 3 is you can spell watermelon.
W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Let me see.
You find the W.
No.
This one W.
Yeah, that's what
You can move a little. You can move for
There are only
water.
two W.
Only 2 W.
Maybe this one?
Yeah, you can spell. Correct or not?
W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N.
Okay, correct. Water.
Wait, why I just draw a rectangle?
Watermelon.
That's so long words. Huh?
Yeah, watermelon.
It's raining.
Yeah, watermelon.
Wait, I forgot to check.
Yes.
If you eat
And-
the watermelon, if you eat the seed of the watermelon, your poop gonna seed too.
So the next one is calculator.
Wait,
Calculator is
maybe here?
letter C. You can find letter C. C.
No.
You move a little bit.
No. Yes, this is it.
Calculator. Okay, correct.
Yeah, so smart.
You spell it? C
C
A L C U L A T O R. Calculator. Calculator. You can see.
Yeah. Now.
It's
It's
a
almost
calculator.
done,
So the last one, you know,
alligator. Yum.
Wow.
Last time the big alligator the kid just walk on the lake, just the big alligator just eat the kid.
No.
And then they say then when they call all the family, so all the family get the big alligator and then get them back.
So
Just
alligator.
went to school. They
Okay.
went to school.
So you scaring with alligator?
Yeah. But last
Do you
time I
like it?
just said no, I hate them. They're so bad.
So the last time you can see the alligator?
Yeah. You
Where?
just bring me go to the zoo.
Oh yes. So the last one is alligator. That
But
start
I
from.
just 3 years old.
Okay. So the alligator start from A L L I G
Wait, let me erase this one for you.
A
A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Wait, when I just found dustbin, I see alligator.
Oh, when you find the dustbin, you already see that word, right?
Yeah.
So start from letter A, you find it.
It's not open.
Where?
Look, it's not open.
No problem. Okay, where is the alligator?
Maybe.
Start from letter A, you find A.
No.
A.
No.
A.
No.
A.
No.
A L. Where? Alligator.
This one. Hey, this one. Is this one? Is this one?
Where?
This one.
Okay, correct. So you call it A L L I G A T O R.
We found it all. I'm so
So,
crazy about this.
We already find the 5 words of the
How about
puzzle.
you forgot to check?
Yeah. So 5 words today we already
Found it.
So,
Bye bye.
No, not yet. Bye bye.
Nah.
Here.
Dustbin.
Dustbin. Here, dustbin.
Dustbin, we check it.
Yeah.
We just do like this first.
And bandage.
Bandage.
From there.
Yeah.
Yes. And watermelon. From the top one.
Yeah.
And calculator is the last 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a color.
And
Alligator.
here. Okay, correct.
So that circles let us check all. They are check all.
Okay, so correct all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe for comments.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Watching next day.
Okay, bye bye.